Hi, this is a quick tutorial how to install Lightroom presets to your mobile phone. If you don't have Lightroom mobile app on your phone, you need to download it from official App Store or Google Store. This app is free to use. Okay, now you have Lightroom mobile app on your phone, but you don't have presets yet, you need to download it. You can download beautiful free Lightroom presets from my website. Open your browser and go to my website shirokov.pro. Then go to menu and find Lightroom presets. On this page you will find all my free Lightroom presets. Choose the preset you like to download, and on the presets page you will find some information about this preset and before and after examples. At every presets page you will find Download Now button. Password for every preset you can find at my YouTube channel, NIKITA Presets. Why I use passwords? Because in this case I can share my presets for free. Just watch the video with preset you would like to download and you will see password for every preset in the upper right corner. For example, for this preset password is 1234. Now you can push the button Download Now and the preset will be downloaded directly on your phone. Now open your Lightroom mobile app and push this Add button. Find out the DNG preset file that you have downloaded from my website on your phone and open this file in your Lightroom mobile app. You will see a picture that has saved color corrections, and you can copy all color corrections from this image to your own photos. To do this, just push this three dots circle in the upper right corner and copy settings. You will see a checkbox where you should choose which corrections you want to copy. Be sure you didn't choose a crop correction, because crop should be done for every image specifically. After you've copied settings, you can use it for any image you want. Just choose the photo in your Lightroom mobile that you want to change with preset. Again, push this circle with three dots in the upper right corner and past settings. Yes, it's that easy! Let's see how this preset works on another photos. I like it. I think this preset works really well. Now let's save our preset in Lightroom mobile. To do this, you need to open your DNG file with preset and go to Presets section. Push this circle with three dots again and choose Create Preset. You can name the preset how you want. I will name it with my YouTube channel name NIKITA Presets. Also, you can create a presets group. I already have some, and I will save this preset in my group NIKITA Presets. Nice job! Now I have my preset in my presets library Lightroom. Let's see how this preset works. Choose a photo, go to Presets section and use a preset. Okay, now you know how to save presets in your Lightroom. You have two options: copy and paste settings from image to image, or just save the preset in your presets library. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, cause I have so many beautiful presets for Lightroom, you will like it.